What's up friends, I'm welcoming you back to GOO Computer Tutorial channel, and in this amazing video we're going to deal with a switch statement in C++ as another selection control statement. So simply, switch statement allows us to execute one statement from many statements, and that statements are called case. So is what we call switch statement. Is a statement that allows us to execute statement from many statements, and those statements are called case. So without dwelling, let us see the syntax of switch statement and do an example to make sure that we are able to use this switch statement. This is the general syntax of switch statement in C++ program. As an example, we are going to write a program that inputs any number and prints day of the week. Firstly, we have to make variable declaration. Let us declare the variable called num, like this, int num, right? Then you have also to write the statement that asks user to enter the number. Out enter number, right? Then end line, like this. Then after end line, we can now start our switch statement. You know that the syntax is switch, and then parameter here we have num, right? Like this. And then we have now to open our switch like this, and then we're going to start with case 1 as we have seen in the syntax, right? Case 1, and the case 1 we have Monday, right? South Monday, like this. Then end line, right? Yeah. Then you can now make break here, right? After this, you can now copy this statement and paste, and also change the necessary information, like this. Can now copy this, and then paste here, right? And then this is case 2, and we get Tuesday, right? Tuesday, like this. Yeah. Also, you can now copy this statement and paste it here, but first one is already copied. You can now change here. This is case number 3, and here we have Wednesday, right? Like this. Then end line. So in the same case, we have also to make copy and paste here. This is in the case number 4. Right? And we get here Thursday, right? What's called Thursday, like this. Sorry, here is Thursday. Then break. Also here paste, and this is case number 5, and here we have Friday, right? Friday, like this. Then break. Also Saturday, case number 6, case number 6. on Saturday. Sorry, Saturday, right? Like this, then end line. And also we have another case, which case number 7 for Sunday. Here, case number 7, which is Sunday, right? Sunday, right? Then here, remember, in the syntax of switch statement, we have to make the default section, and this default, it works like else part in if else statement, because also this default, it display or present the invalid statement, or invalid information. Default, right? Then default statement here is, let us call it like invalid day, because as I have told you, it displays the invalid information. End line, right? This is the simple program implemented by using switch statement that read number from the user and display the day of the week that match with that number. For example, if we enter 1, we will get Monday. If we enter 2, Tuesday. 3, Wednesday. 4, Thursday. 5, Friday. 6, Saturday, and 7, Sunday. And what do you think that what will happen when we enter like -1, right? Or 10? The default part will be excluded. When we enter like -1, we will get invalid day, or when we enter 10, also will get invalid day, and other numbers which are not in this number we mentioned here. Let us make compression and check whether there is an error or not. You see there is no error now. We can run our program to find out an output. You see, see what we get. They say that enter number and automatically say that invalid day. This means that you see there is error here. See here, right? We ask user to enter number and we don't write the statement that read that number from the user. That's why automatically, if you don't enter any number, automatically program default number is 0. That's why here it gets 0 and check whether there is the condition that we mentioned about 0 and there is no 1. That's why it display the invalid day, because there is no number or day that represented by 0. So here we have, first of all, to make cin statement to read num like this, and let us compression again and run our program to find out output. You see, at this time they don't give us invalid day because we read number. Now we can now enter like first number, you see, Monday, right? The first number or 1 represents Monday, and let us see how it will display output when we enter like 7 here. You know that 7 represents Sunday, right? See, Sunday. Also, let us make run again and put now like 10. You know that 10 in our day of the week, there is no day which is represented by 10. That's why here we have to get invalid day. So simply this is a program that implemented by using switch statement in C++ that get number from the user and display the day of the week that correspond to that number entered by the user. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Up and down.